We're doing the weapons demo today, going through the different machine guns, the saw, the 50 cal. We have a grenade launcher that we're practicing with as well.
All the way back here because you guys won't be able to actually look into
The Army is all about, the infantry, staying on the ground, and to do that you need these weapons. In these other countries you're going to need that support. So every person in the Army, even the military, whatever branch you're in, should have some kind of skill with these kinds of weapons.
It's a machine gun. Pull it hard, pull it back to the rear.
It's definitely helping me better understand the Army and what it's all about. I mean, everything we train for in the Army Basic Camp is getting us towards that future. As for what I am learning, I want to go into cyber. But like I said before, you need to know how to use these weapons if you're going to join the Army. We're all hands down on the ground, using our feet, our hands. We're out in the woods, so that's just what we do. We got to know how to use these.
Let her rip.